Bloody noses and black eyes were common sights in the market-filled streets of Camden in 1854. Tension was building between a majority Christian population and a growing Jewish population. The word on the street indicated that anti-Semitism was on the rise, particularly after the recent proclamation made about the blood libels in Saratov, Russia, an accusation a long way away which spread like a wildfire on London city streets, where it was unspoken law. No Jew shall ever be worthy of a Christian.
By all means, I must take security measures at such a precarious time in our borough. For I sincerely believe it is your voice I hear. Nevertheless, please allow me so much as your name. I must ensure it is you, my dear.
My lady, rest assured, it is I, Lawrence, who stands before you with all my love.
Lawrence, my excitement enthralls me, for I am about to leave a place I need know all too well. I need not explain the luck that I do not deserve.
Well then, my lovely Jane, with the Christian God and Sir David Solomons as our witness, allow me my feelings which will not be repressed. Accept me to declare my admiration and my love for thine.
But you must not call me lovely the way you see me now.
I thank thee, foggy day, as it shields me from inquisitive onlookers.
I am nothing but a mere girl, wearing a boy's cloak, holding a chest of coins. And without further ado, hold out your hands, my Lawrence. For I bestow you with these pound coins, which will permit us to live fulfilled.
Be careful, my lady, you shouldn't throw such treasures. I am coming to you, church bell, hold on.